Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Sling TV account easy. To log into your Sling TV account, start by opening your web browser. Type in the Sling TV website URL, www.sling.com. Once the page loads, look for the login button. You'll find it located in the top right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. A new login window will appear on your screen. Now, enter your registered email address in the provided field. After that, input your password in the next field. Make sure both entries are correct for a successful login. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. Once you have entered your email and password, click on the Login button. Wait a few moments while the system processes your information. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. Now, you can enjoy all the content Sling TV has to offer. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for typos. Make sure your internet connection is stable as well. If you continue to face problems, consider contacting Sling TV customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.